Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick and easy green chili with beans and potatoes. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious meal on a budget, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add 3 medium potatoes. And I'm just going to season with garlic salt, a little salt, and black pepper. Going to allow them to fry for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove some of the oil. Now we're just going to move the potatoes to the side, add half an onion and 1 minced garlic clove. Now we're just going to mix it together and allow it to cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add all of the spices along with the all-purpose flour. Going to mix it, allow the flour to cook for about a minute. And the flour is just to thicken up the sauce. Okay, after the minute, add 16 ounces of roasted hatch peppers. Begin to mix it in. And here we're going to add about 2 cups of the bean broth. Just make sure that you begin to mix it. So like that, the flour begins to dissolve. Okay, once they're mixed in, add the pinto beans. Here we're just going to allow it to cook for about 10 minutes or until the potatoes are nice and soft. Okay, after 10 minutes, check your potatoes. And I also forgot to mention, but make sure you check it for salt. So here, my potatoes are done. I'm just going to be adding some queso panela. And we're just going to give it a couple minutes and then we can get ready to serve. Okay, and just like that, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super quick, easy, and under $15 you're able to feed your family. It's honestly so delicious. And of course, I have to pair it with my homemade flour tortillas, but you can always enjoy it with a tostada, with this egg on the side, or just enjoy it like this. But I am so ready. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Let me tell you that I can eat my beans like this every single day. So good. The queso panela, the potatoes. I love anything with potatoes. This right here is just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious green chili with beans and potatoes. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.